With ProScore Snooker Scoreboard software, you can score your games with just a keypad, like this. And better still, you can score your games with a remote keypad, like this one here. And to score your games with a keypad, you will need to know where the function keys are, such as the clock key and the foul key and the win frame key and the menu. And if you don't want to remember all these keys or where they are, why don't we make some stickers and put them onto the keypad? So we are going to do some DIY now. So we use this keypad as an example, and I will need some stickers, such as this one here. So those stickers comes in different colors, like the red, yellow, green, black, blue, pink, brown, and so on. So I'm going to stick those stickers onto the keypad, and then I'll be able to remind myself where the function keys are. And for those function keys, I'll actually need to have those white color stickers, so I can write or label the sticker with the function key. So I'm going to do this now. So let's start with the simples. So let's do the red ball button. So that's the red ball. So I'm going to stick this onto the one key, like that. And let's do the yellow, which is 2 pawns. So I'm going to stick this to the 2 key. And next would be the green. And the next one is brown. And then the blue. And then the pink. Isn't that simple? Now, as for the black, I'm not going to use these black stickers, and I'll explain to you in a minute. In ProScore, the software, there is a menu function, so you go up and down the menus, right? On a keyboard, you will use those up and down arrows to navigate the menu up or down. But on a keypad, there is no like up and down arrow without some complications. So what I'm going to say is that 2 of the color keys will be used as down and up arrow, and also the select button. And those 3 keys would be the yellow, which is the up button, and the green is the enter button or the select button, and the black would be the down arrow. So 3 of the color buttons will serve a second purpose. So as for the yellow button here, so that's the yellow button, it also serves as an up arrow within the menu. So what I'm going to do is to draw an arrow on those buttons here. So this is number 2, and this is also an up arrow button. As for the green, it's just like a confirmation, like a select button. So I just put a tick here. So this is the confirmation or the select button. As for the black ball, instead of putting a black sticker here, I don't have a white pen that's white enough to cover the black area. So what I'm going to do is to draw on a white sticker with a down arrow, which is also a black ball button. So let me try it. So on this sticker here, I'll just draw a down arrow. Then I'll paint the rest of the sticker with black, like that. And I hope you get what I mean. Now I have a black sticker with a down arrow. So when it's dry, I'll put the sticker onto the 7 button on the keypad, like that. So we got 1 to 7 here. That's great. Now, we are going to do the rest of the buttons, which are the function buttons. So let's do the clock button. So the clock is basically a button that starts and stops the frame clock. So I'll draw C on this white sticker. And that would be the clock button. So I'll put it onto the 8 key here. That key will start and stop the frame clock. The next button we're going to do is the error button. So when you make a mistake, you want to go back 1 step on the scoreboard. So you want to undo it. So we need to press the E key. The E is the letter that I'm going to write now, like this. Then I'll stick this to the 9 button. So we have an undo function here. So every time you press that E key, the keyboard, the scoreboard will go back 1 step. They will undo 1 step at a time. So if you make a mistake, you put the wrong scores and you score the wrong points and so on, you press the E to go back 1 step on the scoreboard. Now the next button we're going to do is the foul button, or the free ball button. It's the same button. So we would write a letter F on the sticker. And this time we'll put the sticker above the slash key, like that. Okay, and the next key we're going to do is the menu. So to access the menu, you would you would press the M key on the keyboard, but on the keypad you will press the 0 key. So I'll draw a M on the sticker and stick it onto the 0 key here, like that. Okay, and when a frame is ended, or when a frame is finished, we have a winner. So we'll press the W key to go to the win frame. So I'll draw the letter W on a sticker and stick it to the full stop button or the delete button on the keypad. So that's the win frame, or the winner information screen, whatever you call it. So we are almost done. Now, to change the player on the scoreboard. So you switch the player from player 1 to player 2 and back to player 1. You only need to press the enter key. Or on the keyboard, you would probably press the P key as well. It's the same function. So P and enter is the same function. So I'll draw the letter P on the sticker and stick it under the enter button. I mean the enter word, like that. So that will switch the player. I think we have one more to go. If you don't want to score like in the competition, you add the pawns after every pot. But if you don't want to do that, you want to add the total break pawns when a break is finished. You need to add the total break pawns by activating the add break button and then key in the total number of pawns in the break. So on the keyboard, we will press the B button, and on the keypad, we will press the plus button here. So that's the total break pawn. So I'm going to stick the B word on the plus button here. So I think we are done, and you will see that there are two unused buttons here that you should not use, just to avoid confusion. So what I'm going to do is to put some black sticker here just to cover it, so it's not going to be used. Okay, so it's all done.